Hello guys, so I'm back again after a few weeks, almost 1 month. I didn't do any video about Hot Wheels or any diecast. So today I'm back again. I will do unboxing, and I will do unboxing about this case. Okay, GBW 75956B. Okay, so I have the A case from the previous video, so this is the B case. Okay, so this one will be the Fast and Furious Wave 2. Okay, the second one. So I already do the first one, so this is second one. So I received this about 2 weeks already, so now I have time to make unboxing and a short review about this case. Okay, this case they have contain 10 piece, but they have 5 in one set. Okay, so this means here have 2 set all together. Okay, so without wasting the time, so I just open it. Okay, and before I open it, so if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe, okay, by click here, and don't forget to give a like and share this video to your friends. Okay, so I bought this case with I pre-ordered this case a long time ago with this, okay, from Liberty Toys. Okay, Freedom to Collect. Okay, you can search them at Facebook, just type Liberty Toys. Okay, any information, any orders, any kind of diecast you can purchase from this Liberty Toys. Okay, so if you live in Malaysia, you can do find here. Okay, now make it short, so like open it. Okay, if you children, be careful with the knife. Okay. Okay, as you can see, they have 10 altogether. Okay, now we go to the first one first. I think this is the box. Okay, go to the first one first, this side. Okay, so we have Volkswagen Jetta MK3. Okay, it means we have 2 here. So this one is the set. It's Volkswagen Jetta MK3. Okay, as you can see, this one is from the Fast and the Furious. Okay, the first films about the Fast and the Furious. Okay, Jetta is belong to JC. Okay, if you watch the movie, then you know. Okay, the first one. Okay, Volkswagen Jetta MK3. Okay, I have 2 already. Move to the second one. Okay, this is a Nissan 240 SX. Okay, or known as S14. Okay, S14. Okay, I have 2 of it. Okay, this is also from the first series of the movies, the Fast and the Furious. Okay, I'm not sure who drive this one. If I'm not mistaken, is Letty when she go for a race. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Just comment below if who driving this. Okay, this Nissan 240 SX. Okay, so I have 2 of it. Next, the third one. Okay, now we have the 1995 Mazda RX-7. Okay, so this one is from also from the first series, is the Fast and the Furious. Okay, so forget who drive this car. If you know, okay, mention from the comment below who drive this 95 Mazda RX-7. Okay, I guess it's Paul, maybe from the first car before changed to the other car. Maybe. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, 95 Mazda RX-7s. Okay. The fourth one. Okay, we have Nissan Skyline GTR. Okay, BCNR 33. Okay, or GTR R33 in yellow color. Okay, this one is also from the first series, the Fast and the Furious. I think all the service is from the first series, from merchandise from the Fast and Furious, the first one to come out. Okay, this is R33 GTR. Okay, in yellow color. As you can see, very nice. All. All yellow and very nice wheel. Okay, yes, I have two of it on this set. And the last one, yes, everybody will find this is the one that people will want to buy. Okay, it's 95 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Okay, two of it. Okay, this one also come from the Fast and the Furious. Yeah, very nice. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is number 2. I forget to tell you, this is number 2. Then we have, okay, just now this R33 is number 5, the last one. Okay, then we have 95 Mazda RX-7. Okay, this is number 3, the third one. Okay, this is the first one, Nissan S14. Okay, number 1. Okay, and the Jetta MK3 just now is this number 4. Okay, all complete, all together we have 5 of it. Okay, so what do you think about this Fast and Furious, the second wave? Okay, and I hear they have a third wave. The third wave is not it's all about the muscle car from the Fast and Furious series. So we wait for it until the wave 3 come out, then I will try to make a review about it. So now this is the all 5 Fast and Furious from Hot Wheels Premier Fast and Furious Wave 2. Okay, so if you missed the Wave 1, you can see the previous video. It's all about the Wave 1. Okay, so you can follow my Facebook page, okay, Hot Wheels Storage Malaysia, and also my Instagram, also Hot Wheels Storage Malaysia. Okay, so yeah, before I go, don't forget to subscribe by click the button below here, give a like and share to your friends. Okay, so until we meet again, bye bye.